Sakit naman sa puso nun.
Nice, Nick. Nice.
Sana binalik mo na lang sa akin.
So you need to be very careful.
Ang hirap, Coach Bam, legit, Coach Bam, legit. Wag mo na lang ata akong pakinggan. Sakit naman tumaya sa Reconix Map 1. Times 3 ang puta. Huwag mong i-click yan, Chip. Huwag ka na, ayoko na. Ayoko na tumaya, putang ina may... Ba't ganun, tol? Eto, tingnan nyo ta. Meron ako 179k sa stake. Tapos, nakikita kong butal yung 9k. May mali ata sa akin. Tang ina talaga.
Game 1 of Reconix up against Vici Gaming, and I don't know, I find the Mirana picks just so cool. It's just so much damage.
Yeah, the heroes
Yung butal 9k ang puta.
A decent trader in the lane, especially from the...
Yung problema kasi tol, gago pa. Pinambayad sa akin sa utang yan tol, di ko kasi panalo yan eh. Pagka na, eto kasi yung pera ko na to tol, pagka eto nagsimula ng magalaw, patay ka na. Kailangan ko ma-out yan ng ano, idadice ko na lang yan.
Both teams smoked up here. Good wards actually plays from VG Gaming, very aggressive. You don't really see the deep ward that early, but I'm guessing the idea is they think...
Bawal tol, ang pera ko kasi na yan tol, ano yan eh, tawag dito. Bayad na utang sa akin yan, magagalaw na yung pera namin ng ano. As much as possible, iniiwasan kong magalaw yung pera namin sa amin dalawa ni LJ. Pinasusugal ko lang usually, mga panalo ko lang din. Pag nagalaw ko yan, baka masunod-sunod tol, yaki ako. Hindi ako yaki kay LJ, yaki ako sa sarili ko. Kasi pag nagalaw ko yan, hindi ko makokontrol. Dali ako. Hindi mo naman gagalawin, Chip, dodobloy mo lang naman. Ganda. Thank you. Thank you.
Especially because again, you've got the Storm mid that will want to get its bottle timing lined up here. We'll have to see just how well that goes up against the snap. I would say
Tol, tama na pandidemonyo, tol. Tama na pandidemonyo, legit. 2.7 pa din yung odds.
You can really use your innate, your boomstick as much. So, in your dream, should have the spacing to just get some farm, start to get that stable EXP going for himself. You are seeing Varish trading early with SinQ. The quiver versus the
Hindi ramdam sa'yo yung 9k. Pagka yung 9k tol natalo tol, ang mga kasunod na ano yan tol, medyo nakakatakot na.
So they're making sure to kind of combine that flat cannon when he knows he can hit both Xingqiu and
Pag
Bot.
natalo yan, may pangparlay ka ulit. Same naman tayo ng mindset tol, ang problema nga lang.
Also just getting that maximization of flak. I feel
Nagda-doubt na kasi ako sa sarili ko.
hit level 2, level 3 here in Bok though. This lane does get mildly awkward. Like you are super squishy. You get a couple of decays off. You get maybe the tombstone down in good spot somehow.
Kaya nga, may bukas pa naman eh. Okay lang yan, may bukas pa.
There are some
Nod na lang tayo tol. May mga paklay pa din naman ako dito tol. May dalawa pa akong paklay na buhay, yung times 32 tsaka yung ano. Ayun na lang yung abangan ko tol, tsaka na ako magtataya. Bukas na lang ulit. Medyo nasasaktan ako eh. Yung paklay ko ata ngayon, talo ko ng ano. Doon sa mga nauna, mga 25 bata.
It's one of the few heroes left that does that, no? Like we've deleted that aspect from almost everything. But
Yeah, it's
5k, 10k. Ganun nga mga 25 na.
Unhappy probably to see the Seder camp here. But it is what it is sometimes.
Sama ng mukha.
He'll be close enough to the mid lane to contest for that 2-minute rune. He's just gonna leave the
Yung bibigay Diabel lang ni Sir Cherry.
participate too much.
Boss Max Wings, ang importante, Boss Max Wings, nag-up ka naman. Sa sugal naman, basta mag-enjoy ka, kahit di ka na manalo, ang importante, bawi ka eh.
But immediately, right away, we'll see Vici Gaming kind of put that pressure, make sure
Net win ka ba sa personal stake mo or net lose? Yung hindi sa pagmamayaw, bang medyo malaki yung up ko. Kasi laki talaga nung kinamit ko sa mga paklay ko nung kailan eh. Hindi naman sa pagbibida, baka sabihin nyo nagbibida eh. Nasaksiyan niya din naman eh. Medyo kamig talaga ako nung last 1.5 months eh. Ngayon nakakarma na ako kasi pinagdadamot ko yung paklay ko. Doon ata ako nadali. Sa nakikita yung chip po. Yung alin yan, Boss Max Wings, yung up mo overall, pwede ka manghingi ng email. Chinachat ba yun sa support or something, guys?
Very curious as to how the top lane is going. It's been looking pretty smooth for Shiro in terms of just
Kamig tayo sa CS no. Kaya di naman sa pagmamayabang tol, kaya ano.
And
Ngayon lang talagang tuloy-tuloy yung kakama ko, tol. Hindi, feel ko, tol, hindi naman ako nakakakama, tol, dahil pinagdadamot ko yung pakle ko. Feel ko nakakakama ako kasi sobrang dami kong kinukupal na tao nowadays. Not sure Hindi ko alam. 6-7, 6-7.
Kind of just look for the nightmare.
Di ko alam kung
Razes
ano eh.
just run from there. They've done a great job of cutting the trees here as well to ensure the bushwhacks aren't that easy for the lull to find. Although, still
Magbago ka na, Chip. Legit ba? Guys, press 1, tol, kung gusto nyo ako magbago.
Yeah, I mean, Shadow Fiend's a hard hero to pressure in lane. A lot of the counters we've been seeing have been like, oh, okay, we'll just.
Diba? Ayaw nyo din eh, diba? Sabi sa inyo eh.
Shove the wave and play away from him.
Sabi sa inyo, ayaw nyo
Since
din
he's
eh.
been such a highly contested hero, and there's a couple different builds, right? Like there's
Stats lang, Chip. Ayan, Boss Max Wings, hingin mo lang sa stake yung stats. Hingin mo lang, hingin mo lang. Kasi i-email ata yun, di ba, Boss Max Wings? Kaya ba, Reconix Map 1? Kaya naman yan, legit.
From P-Time over on stream A, going that build and ended up winning with it. So
yeah, it's just down to what kind of tempo the rest of your team wants to go for.
Nakakamiss na nasa FB lang pakle mo.
Your team wants to play slow. You're the only one kind of fast. With Yashikaya, it can feel really awful because you cut off your scaling.
Uninstall ko kick pag
Kinda
nagbago
to
ka.
that point, I would say in this kind of game, it's not bad.
Sabi
to
sa
go
inyo eh.
for it
Kaya
for
ano,
full magic.
pili ko hindi
It's
naman
kind of
talaga ako
like
nakakamagawa nga
early
nung
game
pagdadamot.
scaling.
Talagang yung
In that
pangungupal
case,
ko lang.
would
Siguro kailangan ko lang atang bawasan or wag na talaga.
Scarcopper
Yung
overall,
tingin nyo guys, yung
all
tingin
of
nyo.
your heroes are pretty high tempo. I think the snap mid, it does
Kasi
scale,
baka sa bonsai ako tol
but
pagka
again,
nangungupal ako eh.
in absolute
Parang yung
terms,
pakiramdam
Magic Snap does have a
overload,
hard
ganun.
point where the
Wag
damage
na
is
no.
not just gonna
Sige,
be
sige.
as threatening.
Guys, maraming salamat sa laging mga nakasuporta dyan guys. Yung patuloy na sinusuportahan niya kakupalan natin kahit alam nating mali na. Yung madami na nangyayari sa mundo ng mga bullying and shit. Pero tayo, di pa rin tayo tumitigil. Thank you, tol. Click nyo, tol. Lagay nyo lang exclamation point stake, tol. Tapos register na din kayo sa akin. Go.
Yeah. Oh,
There's our first blood. Top side, Xinq on the rotation. Takes out Delo on the hoodwink.
Thank you.
nice little pickup. I think FBC's just happy it's not him. And that's attention.
Bago mag-register, tol, gamit lang, tol. Gamit lang ng code.
So
Thank
at
you.
the least, it's not going
Uy,
out
tong
on
ina mo,
Shadow
nice try.
Copper. Kind of fine, but again, that's
Paano to?
restart to shine.
He's in
Maybe?
so much
Bago.
trouble, but does have a lot of stick charges there to kind of reset. So he'll be just fine for now. Does force the TP in though from the hoodwink. Coming on that 6-minute power rune.
Times
Both
32.
supports
Downs
on the
pagkayan
side
ko man nagago bago buhay, legit.
And XM may regret this aggressive position.
Like Legert, like Legert.
From Reconix will find that kill.
Nice pickup. Nice timing as well for the power rune.
Discord.
Um,
Parang gusto ko
really
muna
have a big
mapanatag yung
go
utak ko
around
kay
today,
Nico.
so
Pero pwede
that's
naman,
why
okay
we're
lang pala.
Insane, not
Still,
bad.
some
Ay, ito ba
opportunities
pinapanood nila? Ito pinapanood nila?
Arrow setup if I've ever seen one. The question is who will they go for? Oh, well, they see him now. So why? Gonna lose that ward in a moment.
Okay, balik tayo, balik tayo.
Managed to pull
Huwag tayong madamot.
him down to the low
Sus!
ground. Mortimer
Ah,
kisses
Let's
him.
go.
Recommitting the
Ay, di.
jump as a
Post 5 lang
result
pala
of
yun,
a
okay lang.
nice
Hindi ko kala ko ba, Nick? Oh,
Aray,
galing.
si Dagol.
Burn
Wow.
is there. Arrow connects.
Si
Xinq
Dagol
sets up
ang
2 in the
Thank
mid
you.
lane.
Si Dagol.
It's
Galing
that
mag-pause pa rin,
power
si
spike for
Dagol.
the snap.
Tayo
Ah.
tayo.
Pag hero ni Dagol tol, magaling siya. Pag di niya
And
hero,
it's like you were
ingat
saying
din.
earlier on, like having this
Ayun
kind
nga.
of-
Pero hero niya yun eh, Nick eh. Hero niya yun, Nick eh.
You just can do so much more in
Di
comparison.
ba pa
to what
nag-live kit?
Reconix
Wala
can
pang
really
wisdom.
get done around the
Bago,
map. Looking
patay
for
din
more,
si
it doesn't take
Doom.
long.
I mean, this arrow is gonna connect.
Doom, Doom,
He
Doom,
gets
Doom.
the
Boy, boy,
raise, but
patay
he
SF.
comes
Doom,
to
O, patay
the
ka,
low.
SF,
Committed
oh.
so
Patay pa
far,
din
siya.
Xinq
Nice,
falling
nice.
low. It's a 1-for-1 trade.
Oh,
Uy,
Der, no, di na
Buras.
lang nila nilaban yung XP ron, no? Sa kanila sa atin.
Nag-ready sila.
As in your dream, great rotation.
Buti.
Go
Gago,
right.
ginagaya ni Shiko si ano,
Lane and
si
Charles
Whis,
goes
tol.
for the
Tangina mo
next
talaga,
minute,
Chip.
but there's gonna be
Bakit,
the
bakit?
sleep
Oo nga,
into
no,
the
Chip.
Requiem. The race
Kinakausap
comes
siya
out,
sa
the
tanong.
crowd
Nagalaw din.
seen
Nagalaw nga din, no?
quite some
Nagalaw.
time, and that is
Hindi,
a
player ko kasi yan si
very
Pakin Satanas ko, Nick. Player ko.
Get the
Yes,
deep
yun
in
naman.
the mid.
Bukas
Pangalan sa
na.
ano,
I mean,
666.
Tama
again,
nga.
Ah.
it's very
Ay, nga yung pangalan niya talaga, Nick.
difficult
Satanas
to do.
666.
There's so much
Gago.
emphasis on
Ayun nga.
mid,
I-chat
but
rin yan
this
sa akin minsan
does
eh.
feel like something
Hmm.
you'd see much more in, say, Southeast Asia and some for
Boss
some
Satanas.
qualifiers. So a lot of it being repeated here, which I
Pwede ba
kind
sa
of missed.
LFCS
But
to?
Ganyan na ata talaga yung SF no, Kuya Dij, no?
3 to 5. VG Gaming
Hindi,
looking pretty good
nagro-root
with a
kasi
solid
yan sa
2K
ano,
lead for
sa pag-
themselves. It's gonna take a lot of time for the side of
Sa
Reckless to
kalamang
keep
niya sa
pushing.
lane.
At the least,
Ayun nga, ganun nga.
Siya.
Kumbaga yung binago na nga nila yung playstyle ng SF talaga, Nick. Kasi di ba si SF, may ano talaga siya na lagi siya mananalo ng lane, lalo na against melee, di ba? Tapos busuin niya yung pagkapanalo niya sa lane, gagalaw siya ng ibang lane, no? Ganun lagi.
Kaya nga maganda mag-lead yung carry.
I have to say that
Isabog,
innate
ito
can
yung problema niya.
For me, every
Pag
time-
SF ka, di siya.
Ganyan pa naman yung SF ni Akashi.
Oo nga,
Tangin
legit.
na.
Si Akashi rin, legit. Si Akashi nakakalaro namin, nagpa-farm ng si Tanga.
Akala ko ba ganun, sabi ni Kuya Dij.
Yung ko.
Oh, legit. Tanong mo kay boss.
Pati patay.
Talaga.
Nice one.
Sobrang active na.
Comes out instead, and you've committed way too far on the snapfire. Little bit of a mistake there. You had the Mortimer kisses. You could play it from range, but Marana was not, available to come in with the arrow.
Sobrang gyro game nga
pretty big
nito, no?
mistake to make, and that's a lot again, considering the
Yes.
slower start for Reckonex.
Problema lang yung
Going off that
undying
snap,
late game.
Getting a lot of that gold fed
Oh,
back to yourself, and
Yung
having the
mga-
position
yung na lang.
to
Yan eh,
secure your
Crimson.
triangle. Because if you lost that fight, pressure onto
Asia
T1,
Play
maybe
Live?
some forward war
Ano yan?
attacks
Betting
happening
site yan?
in the area, steal some
Yung sponsor
stacks.
nila?
They get to keep it for a little
Ay,
bit
no,
longer.
nandiyan na naman, no?
Freebie here, though.
Aray pa naman.
No? Tayo mga SF, no? Ganito lagi yung ginagawa, ya.
Nicely done. Xingqiu will of course take away.
Benesep,
the
tol, putang
arcane
ng
route.
combo yan.
So, this game we're really not
Lakad
seeing
papunta
Warriors
sa'yo,
hit the
tapos
mid
triple
lane.
race.
The support duo on the side of the
Laging
game is
kumukunik
very
left and
vulnerable.
right yan.
Another
Daya
pick
naman
from
nito
Storm
mga to.
Spirit, and we're gonna see them again continue to push mid, timing it up with that low, that 10-minute catapult.
Wait na natin si Jack
And this
Roytol
is
mag-online.
beginning to do a lot of damage into the tower.
Eh,
Commit
30
the
minutes pa yan,
fortification, Drag the wave away.
Yung problema ni
I
Gag.
mean, who is it
Paano nga
worth
gumalaw
taking
eh?
this? I think you can for a little while. You want to get as much damage. Oh yeah, they've got the Legion shields. I think they got this.
Yep. Got a little bit of that barrier going
I
to
hear
catch
a
one.
nightmare. Who'd they find? The
Ball.
arrow. It connects. Mortimer kisses. Committed as well.
Ano
Maybe
yung
not
ulti niya
Nadadaya
pa yun?
tayo.
necessary, but we'll farm the creep camps with it.
Gaga ka.
Again, just max value.
Paano
though,
to?
YYD.
I mean, that's a risky go.
Ano siya, no? First item 8, 8 tol. First time ko lang nakita yun, kay Snapper.
Again, smooth going so far for the side of
Pag
VG
wala
Gaming.
tang
They're finding the
Catch,
objectives.
wala silang catch, yung.
They're finding that
Oo nga, no?
objective
Tas may kanakampi niya, no?
I feel like
In-adjust niya yung
there's
item
a lot
build.
to play with right now. The
Ano
support
talaga,
just
sobrang
doesn't
team player
allow
talaga,
the
tol.
best
Si,
yet.
ano? Sino
Need
yan?
so much
XM.
more time for
Okay.
Jacroy and FBZ to actually
9K
get
ka sa
that
Keiko
work.
Nix,
Ilan
dude.
times ng parlay mo, Chip? Nagparlay ka?
Bach has
Kay
been
Nico,
left
nakinig
behind
ako, boss,
a lot
Gab.
this
Times
time. Dominus
26.
going again for that full aura. Phase boot's done.
Dako.
To mitigate that Zeus
Kalaban tayo,
damage.
boss gabi.
And once that pipe is up,
Mas
you
spirit
get
niya,
that
di ba?
Bakit?
like the physical of your gyrocopter is
Ah,
going to
nag-mouse
take a long
ka?
time to reach the point where
Hindi,
Dako siya,
nag-draw kami.
dako.
just melt heroes.
Draw, okay.
At very least, no
Draw din
defense
ako,
coming out
Nick.
for bot. So
Okay. Pag panalo ka, boss ka, 5K, ha?
12 minutes. That's not bad.
Turo pa, hali pa yun. Puta ko yun.
Ali.
Kala mo patago.
Puta ka na 5K, boss ka, naging comedy. Grabe. Naboard yan. Puta yung 2-5 pinarlay ko, tapos yung 2-5 drop.
Okay lang yan, Nick. Mananalo yung paklay natin, Nick. Mananalo.
Dinukot sa bolt.
Gago, papatay nila to?
Di ata eh. Di ata. Ito, Dragon Lance thread siya, no? Falcon Blade pa. Tol.
They'll just have to TP away.
Tangin, ang ganda pa naman ng ads nito. Sobrang nakakatempo.
Gyro, Chip.
Buti, di ko tinayay. Putang inang paklay yan. Patay talaga siya.
Hindi
Hindi maka-cancel niya.
Wala,
Gigi
patay
tayo,
talaga.
tol, yung 75 pesos ko, matatalo yan.
Ay, gago, boy siya.
O, ano ba nangyayari talaga?
Catching the hoodwink, the Requiem will be what kills her, and it's gonna allow
Okay.
Gyrocopter to just walk away.
Ay, wala.
I'm a little bit surprised Jacroy's
Gago ko.
actually allowed to walk out.
Boss,
Gago,
boss ko,
legit ba
papatayin
to?
siya, boss ko.
Maybe.
Alam.
Gago yun, iakakaulip eh, no? Oh.
Sure, that was a little bit weird.
Ba't ang TP yung storm?
Oh, they saw him.
Hindi ko alam mo.
Try to...
Uy, tangina mo.
XM misses on the
Storm
stab.
Ay, nabuhay yun. Wala, kailangan i-grip ng Bane yung hoodwink kasi makakancel yung Bane.
It's not losing more than
Tama
right
lang.
there, and Vici Gaming, I mean, look.
Kumbaga yung presence of may ni Wydon goated din talaga.
They're still in control of this game. They're
So, ano? Ano to, SF, laging ganito yung network, tol. Hindi talaga ibaban yan?
The pressure is still on Reckonex
Yung alin?
to make some
SF, Nick, every game, ganito yung network.
find the farm they need. And
Walang pa-counter sa
Depende
gago
yan.
na yan,
gives
no?
them a little bit of time.
Depende
to
natin
recover
sa
and see
ano,
if they can
sa plano
kinda
nila
make
sa
use
draft.
of that time, but
Mel?
it
Minsan
has been
magbibigay
rather
ka talaga hero na
rough.
gusto
You
mong
saw
kalabanin.
Jacroy, he's got the crystal as
Oo, hindi.
Nakalaban.
Tsaka first day pa lang din naman, kaya lahat nag-ano pa,
It's not
explore pa.
really everything that you'd want right now on that gyro.
Ay.
Even getting the D wards off, ensuring that the gate movement always comes through now on the side of VG Gaming.
And we're coming
Ang
to the
sikip,
next night, right?
sikip
We're
ng ano ng
going for
Reconix.
the next nighttime mid lane though. Atos comes through.
Walang napapak na yun, no?
Keep
Napansin
it,
ko lang.
arrow in the
Wala, wala.
belly. Yeah, that's a
Wala pa.
great combo. I was gonna say, coming into
Pang
the spirit
ramdam.
of Bane's
Ramdam ko kay Pak, medyo ang bagal ng timing niya. Tayo ng hero yun.
team look for kills all over.
Parang kung magpapaka, parang mag-ano ka na lang, mag-Earth Spirit ka na lang.
Just and again, it
Tested
doesn't
yung
take them too
ano,
long
Kotol
to
Bane Clockwork.
do it over and over and over again. That's the one great thing for the side of VG Gaming.
Kotolata talaga ngayon yung mainit ya.
You're not really
Kaso hindi pa naglalako yung mga tunay na Goat Sneak eh. Kailangan maglako muna ng Falcons, tsaka ng ano, ay ng Pakivision, tsaka Spirit Nick, mga Goats.
He's got essence
been-
this
Mamaya
time. He's
makikita mo.
halfway to his
Oo.
neck. This
Si
guy's
Japoy,
just
mamaya
fine,
magpapak
but he's
din eh.
involved. He's 3-0
Yun.
in five.
Yeah, he just arrows
Ang ina kasi nito ni Jikri, kanina pa siya dito.
Kisses into the Atos. They don't even need it. They'll just go ahead and commit the spell combination. He's gonna try
Magkuboy
and do
po.
whatever
Magubos!
damage he can.
Lolobot
but
chip,
he
unang
just
lolobot
pushes
chip.
through.
Ay!
Hold up.
Isang
Sayang
barge
ka.
na lang sa ano.
Sayang ka, sayang ka.
Amplify damage, Snapfire. There's the
Ay.
Murder Kisses. You got one.
Galing
more
naman
to
ni
go.
Umilog
It's
nito.
not gonna
Gago.
do
Gago si
it.
Dagul, tol.
So
Ang ina mo, dinudge lahat ya.
They'll find the kill.
Tapos nakatreds din siya, oh gago. Ibang-iba yung snapper niya, ano? Sino yan?
Ang ina naman
You
yan.
find
Related
one,
na nga to sa Atos
yeah,
Skip.
you dance around the load,
Unat
waste
nga ako siya,
time,
naka-
space for in your dream. I think this is the
Red
bigger
Sox.
part, right? Like, gyrocopter is important,
Hindi kaya pa
yes.
to, winnable.
But
Kumbaga,
now,
ano siya,
the fact that the storm
XM, no?
can't
XM
even
god,
play
tol, no?
is a
Ay!
bigger issue.
Pinalit, tol.
Right, so you want in your dream
Ay,
to have
na-block.
some way of feeling comfortable enough to jump.
Kanina pa nakablock yung Ancient na yan, ma-maximize na yung sentry.
You've got the blink BK
Puta na.
for FBZ.
Inabot na yan ng siyam-siyam.
Bobo.
On hand,
Ikaw, hindi talaga
it's still a
i-update yung
long
chip.
road to go
Sobrang
for
annoying
Reckonex
yung
and
mga
VG
taguan
Gaming.
na, ano?
And they're doing a great job of
Nabablock
making
na
that
ka.
road
Yung
as
puno,
wide
no?
as possible.
Di kita, gago.
Doesn't feel like the road's all
May mga
connected
spot
at
na
all on
nadi-discover.
Reckonex just yet.
Pag-block.
The ideas are there.
Yaman
Yan
lagi
rin.
ng
Plan is
SF,
set,
putang
but-
ina.
It almost feels like
Bilis
you need,
mag-farm
10
eh.
more minutes to kind of get that done? Like 10
Puta ng
minutes.
hero.
Baka nagiging ML na talaga yung Dota, tol, gago. Wala nang ano.
Kaya, boss.
Yeah.
Wala nang ABC yung Dota ngayon, parang sa ML. Kumbaga kung saan na lang abutin yung ano, laban, ganun.
Lakas ko mga objective Chinese team. Yeah, yung sa C, umaasa sa flash.
Mm.
Ganyan, tol.
Ah, the word din.
Pag bobo ka talaga, bobo ka talaga.
Wala na.
It's always funny. It's like,
Inabot.
sounds like
Sobrang maximize yung sentry na Kuya Ditch. Puta, ilang ano yun.
Yeah.
Ilang
Bad
Patay
trip yun
dun
na
to.
pag nakita mo na ganun.
Uy, puta na.
Go, binipro yun.
We'll just drop the feeds grip instead, right?
Wala yung pang ano.
It's
Soft
Hindi ka na yung
muna.
kamay ni Mirana na yun, ano yun?
Pinaka
Magic damage.
should have been like one kill and then feeds
Paano
getting
magic?
another.
Parang Quiver, dati.
Di Weaver, baliw.
Quiver, parang Quiver nung...
Quiver, yes, yes.
Ah, Quiver, sorry.
Here's the second
Yes, yes.
setup. TP
Putang ina,
na.
kapamalas-malasan.
Instead, alright.
Puta na. Boset pa sila ng ganun. Puta na talaga.
Disengage. Like, alright,
calculated.
we got some TPs in.
Hindi nga nila
guys.
ginagamit
Yeah.
yung gyro kahit isang beses
Isa
yun.
ba? Nakataya.
Farm lang.
From Kiki.
Kahit palugi na sila ng sobra, no, Nick?
Yeah, he knew.
Puta, kinancel yung TP. Ingot.
Drag.
Kita nila walang SF, gago.
Okay.
Arrows.
Outplay to yung mo.
Wala, sobrang walang ya. Putang ina, buti na lang talaga. Hindi ko tinaya yung 9K ko. Muntik kong maging NGR yun, ah.
Timing perfectly on VG.
Gagong ganda kasi ng ads nito, Nick. Time.
VG ka.
Hindi, mag-BG sana. Ay, mag-reconnect sana ako first game.
In comes the
Go-
Zeus
Nice.
Thunder-
Dahil lang sa
Go
ads.
chip, yung
Putong
75
ano.
pesos ko chip. GG tayo, 75 pesos ko chip. Talo yung Recon.
Tayo sa'yo, Nick.
Go.
Putong ano mo. Ang daya naman ito na Shinkyu.
Sana level 11 na siya, no?
Pwede man naalanay siguro yung mga scrim, no?
Gudong puto.
Kaya plus
Unless you
1.5 years, kaya.
dito ng BG.
Taking sure away is it's one step, but it just feels like he needs to do that way too many times.
Pero BG ka match winner dito, diba, Boss Gab?
XM gets stronger and stronger
Hindi
and
ako
starts
chip.
to reach
Plus
that
1
point
kami
where
lahat eh.
snap
Puta,
Legit?
hindi mo
Match
talaga-
winner?
phone game.
Oo, no plus 1.
Okay.
Take point,
Naka plus 1 ka
right,
din,
like
di ba, Kuya
moving
Didge?
forward, trying to play with a cookie.
Ah.
Stepping
plus
stepping
Puta ko
back,
eh.
trying to
Lahat
get
tayo naka plus 1 dito.
Ay.
the damage
Pag ganito
out.
maglaro yung Reconnix, oh.
Smooth.
Tambakin mo na lang, Jikroy.
I'd say every point of the game.
Ganda na nga ng hero
This hero
nila
has
eh, no?
yeah, this hero has strength at all
Okay,
all stages, right? 'Cause
Yeah.
Pero hindi talaga sila panalo sa lane dyan, Nick. Sus, ano, Nick? Sus
Gyro.
Sus Gyro versus Andaing Mirana. Kasi medyo ano sila eh. sobrang
First
pakilin.
5 minutes ata, 6-4 yung Undying or 5-5.
The cookie cooldown,
Yep. Tapos
the
after
cookie
nun,
charges, and then
night
the
time,
Rocket
kanana
Launcher
sila,
is
kanana sila.
25. Like,
Oo.
each one of these power
Kasi
sets
una pa
allows
lang ang dami
you
nang
to
deny nung Undying eh.
perform
Tas ano, halos perfect CS,
throughout
ganun.
the stage. It's why we're seeing her played so much as like a core, but also like
Kala ko lamang sila
playing
gawa
the
nung
impact
ipapush out
as a
yung wave
support as
tapos
well.
hindi mako-contest ni Mirana yung pull.
6-4 Undying. or
Yan, ginawa ni Miranda, ano eh.
Inaakaw lang na,
Inaakaw
well,
lang yun.
inaakaw lang yung big camp. Ayun nga. Ayun nga yung napansin
Okay
kong
lang.
Pandaraya.
You can just instantly switch.
Gogo patay ito. Patay ba to? Ay, wala silang pang-catch na ano.
Buti na lang, natalo.
May
agad
pet
sila
daw,
ng
guys.
Musical qualifiers.
Yeah, this hero's cool. I love Snapfire. She's one of
Sino
my
yan?
favorite designs. Like,
Uy, busog yan.
Gago ka, pipe na yan.
GG
na to, Nick.
Goko siya na nila.
Yan.
Eh, saan ka dito, Nick? Saan ka tumaya?
Mapon.
Saka yan,
Beses
saka.
ko?
Hindi, yung parlay mo.
Draw.
Nick, sa parlay, Nick, walang mababa o mataas, Nick. Ads lang yung nagmamatang.
Yan.
Tandaan mo, magiging 16 million kung tatama ka lahat eh, di ba?
Yun nga.
Pag nagawa mo yun, Nick, susubo ko bukat mo. Live.
Yung ano yan?
Kung bakit 160k yung ads nung ano mo, parlay, tas napatama mo.
Tama na nga dapat 6 dun eh.
Kaso mali yung isa ata, no?
Gago likit nga, nakamali lang ako.
Puta na ni Armel.
Inuulit ka lang, inuulit, mga gago din.
Talaga. Ang ina ko magkamali ka talaga sa sugal na nakakatawa pakinggan eh. Putangin talaga.
Tangina.
Dapat pinult ko na lang yung ano, tol. Dapat pinult ko yung baka sa poker, parang ganun. Puta, mali yun, tol.
Tangina mo ka to. Patawad. Tangina ka.
Na-explain ko, Chip, na inulit mo pa. Tama nga lahat, Chip, mali lang isa. Chip.
Tama yung 6, bugok. Tama
Ayun
na,
nga.
Joel, king ina mo.
Oh.
Sarap sa mata eh, 160k. Putang ina mo.
Thank you, Boss Tensa. Thank you, Boss Tensa sa WhatsApp. Thank you. Hindi, Boss Jomay, nagagagalan din yan. Nagagagalan din yan. Si Nico. Tang ina mo, nakapitan yung mukha.
Napaturo ng parlay sa mga viewers kanina eh.
Eh, nadum.
Logo mo
sa
wala,
taas.
di na.
Okay.
Panalo.
Si, ayan ay Gyro.
Ayan na.
Patay
Timing
tayo.
natin to. Timing natin to. Timing natin to. Okay, game.
Patay tayo,
Roy.
Chip.
Like legit lang. Putang ina mo.
Ang sakit naman ang damage nun.
Sakit naman nun ya. Inupuan sa mukha si Gyro.
Pipi shot up ya.
Here's the Undying, right? The thing, he's back in the game again, right? He's dead.
Sabi sa inyo, si Jik talaga, Nick. OP lang talaga to sa C. Ang bilis mag-perm eh. Pero pagka international, no?
What a time.
Yeah.
Bobo.
Pag hindi masyado na-abuse yung ano, map tempo.
Mm.
Yun ang naglalabas.
Doon talaga doon lang makakakana si Jik Roy, no? Yung hindi siya natatouch, no? Kahit palugi sila. Pero pagka pinapressure, ilang beses siya tinakay eh, di ba? Tinakay siya ng una, tapos di lang siya namatay. Yung pangalawa namatay siya. Tapos ngayon pangatlo naman. Nakakailang pressure na sa kanya.
It works well this game. They don't
Yan,
have a ton of
nag-aim
armor,
yan
right?
against
So
Dark Zero eh.
you're right-clicking
Gusto na
to do a lot of
mag-farm.
work here. Obviously, gyrocopter.
Kala mo, kaya mo yung texture ni Paka Nico ko, ah.
Kung
Yeah.
mag-pick ka Dark Seer kalaban, ay AM, pick kalaban mo Dark Seer.
Pinaka-last pick niya ba yun, Nick? 24 yun, ng time na yun?
Oh, last pick,
You still have
24.
Requiem for like counter control if need
Grabe
be.
network ni
Doesn't even
Shane.
feel necessary. Go for the smoke out. They
Such a
still
good
have
Ni Shin?
quite a fair bit of time in the Aegis. Maybe not the most in the world. 2
Gogo
minutes.
tail.
but-
Ano ka, all?
Naman nakasard ng UD, tol. Lalo mamatay.
Tayo na, ano na naman siya. Nakikita na naman siya, guys, ha, si Jik Roy, ah. Tang ina mo, dinik eh.
Puta, blink indicator lang, pull ng pull. Putang ina, buti nahuli pa rin.
Putang ina mo, pagka-blinkin, dinig eh.
It's so easy for them to engage. Like Bach can just jump in knowing
Napatawad yung gagong eh.
got the pipe, he's super tanky on his own.
Ang
Dennis
ito,
having to take care of it, there's no pressure.
Tang ina, nagkakita mo. Ang cute sa mukha ang puta.
Ano nakataon sa tignan?
Wala, GG 75 mo, Nick.
I mean,
Dali tayo.
GG nga tayo, Nick Boy.
Napambarat. Nagano ka?
Niwala na
Reconnects ka?
naman ako kay Joel.
It's just been
Nag-reconnects ka?
constant for
Bobo
siya
gawin?
every single time that
Hindi, gago, plus one ako dyan.
they're the ones who comes out ahead.
Yeah,
Okay.
Your Zeus got
Ay, di, bawi tayo second game. Bakit?
This is like
some
Bakit?
damage.
Kind of copium in a
Yeah.
way. It's like
Bakit?
he's gonna farm to an Aghanim Scepter now.
Ang napapansin ko, si Doom matumal o hindi magagaling lang tong mga to.
Take a long
Puta,
while.
yun naman.
Game din.
Puta,
Yeah, 'cause they
GG.
have the follow-up.
Yeah.
Bong.
Boy,
Bong.
boy, ay!
Patay, may 8.
Ay, naman.
Puta, tumalon siya, Gab. Nakita mo yun, Gab?
Wala na, GG na to.
Wala, GG,
Sabi yung
GG.
Di ba may time siya? Makatalon.
Hirap niyan, Dre. Hirap niyan, Dre.
Just insane.
Chips yun, Gabo.
Cookies.
Ano tanga niya, gago? Nag-ebili jump
Tambal ko
sa...
nga yan, Willie. Bakit ba? Tangin na mo.
Triplet
Alam
sa
ko,
Gab, Gab, Gab. Labo nun, Gab. Hindi porket kasi nga ba mo ng baba, kambal mo agad. Sobrang pogi mo eh.
Gago, mas mahaba yun sa mga Indonesian.
Gago,
Bunso si Gabi.
Gago, may nagko-comment sa'yo. Tip, please daw. Armel Dota 2.
I think it's the way to put it. I mean, he's an amazing 4 overall, but
Yeah.
where he
Tip,
really
teka lang, may
shines is
kalaban
he
ako
finds
dito eh.
the space
Okay.
Another smoke.
to get all of these items.
Yeah.
So, what are you gonna do here on the side of Reckonix?
Huh?
You have Doom back up.
BP versus
feasibly,
LGD.
Doom 1,
Draw
kill
daw,
1,
sabi ni
that's
Nico.
it.
BP
They're
LGD
going for
draw.
the gyro.
Yeah.
They saw him clear the creep wave. They're hoping he's still up here. The flak, they'll
Pag
see it now.
matino
and
lang yung
that
drop
is
nila,
a
tol,
beeline
to draw yan.
for the gyro. They're gonna
Draw
put
daw,
him
guys.
right
Bobo
on
rin
top.
yung saber kick
Pero-
talaga pag
He is
losing
Sige,
legion.
Jokroy, tol.
unaware of
Patay ka, Jokroy.
the heroes coming in from behind.
Takbo, bitch.
Bane will find an immediate Fiend's
Oh, di
Grip.
talaga nila alam
A little
kailan
bit of
mag-ball.
damage going
GG.
in,
Ball.
but,
Ang
not
silang
enough to deal
talaga
with
Small
ng
map.
mga to chip.
Wala, wala. Di ano nila.
To hit one more nighttime.
Di naman talaga harang yung mga yan eh.
Gago solo
You
mill.
have to deal with the Bane once again.
Strat.
Dogul, tol. Wala pa, tep.
You do not have the damage to
Wala
deal
pala
with
crap.
this.
Ganun pala yan, no? Pwede mo nang ilapag agad yun, Nick, no? Tapos pag nadaanan, ma-earn ka. Oo, yun.
Di mo alam yun?
Just cleaning
Alam kong pwede mo itutok and shit, pero hindi ko alam na pag nadaanan mo, dun pwede ka doon tamaan.
Ah, malapag yun.
Parang shared na disruptor.
Parang ganun, parang ganun. Parang nasasalo mo.
Aegis, like, is a farming Aegis. I would say in
Diablo na.
Ano, nag-shared
Sa
Aegis, no?
disruptor may truck, tol.
5-6 minutes.
Utang ano, wala, binabalagbag
Manerf
daya.
yan eh, ramdam ko.
Tang ina, kaya pala times 3 yung ads na itong kay Kunix. Baka mga walang mouse pala tong mga gagon to. Ano nakakatawa sobra dun?
Oh, tagin mo, kaya pala times 3 yung ads si putang ina.
They're so far.
Kaya mo na, Chip.
He's
Kaya mo
level
na.
18.
Ayan.
Saan
That's
patawad,
such a
Chip?
problem. Level 18 BKB.
I want to see what
Baliw ako,
Boy
Chip, eh.
has
Sorry,
right now,
ah.
'cause I feel like
Baliw ako,
this
Chip,
Gyro
eh.
has been left pretty, you know, his time.
Puno ka tawa maging baliw.
Alin plus one,
Eh,
ah,
ano
Nico.
yung-
Bad, but
Pag
Yung Ogs
Goose
yun,
plus
tol,
one, kasi
nag-miss.
nakadraw eh.
this is enough. Like the damage output
No, it's
certainly
not,
isn't just
yeah.
yet. Even with the BKB, you'd need the
Puta.
Daedalus and Satanic to feel
Babarlin ko
comfy,
kinelas ko,
and
tol.
that's just way too much
Wala
gold.
tayong
And you
Dragon
don't have
Game
the time for
2.
that right now with Vici Gaming right up against your tier 2s on mid, tier 3 down bot.
BKB Doom is a pretty big.
Ano yung Asia Play
I will
Live?
say that. So you do have
Betting
BKB
yun.
Doom.
Ayun nga yung ano eh. Ayun nga yung question ko, Kuya Dich eh. Parang interesting yung pangalan nila eh.
Uy,
Eh,
puta.
It's either pwede pangalan ng porn site yan or kaya betting site eh. No?
Wang Win nga, nasa Dota na eh. Puta, sino yung sinabi ni boss ko? Comatose daw?
Sabi ng search ni Kuya, tol, pagkatapos ng
Siyempre. Search ko yun. Ayun, well. Alam rin ni Jolie mga porn sa porn na bang puta.
Kaya San,
30.
which played into the BKB,
Tangin na.
it's been rough.
Tangin ng 1 win.
on
Tangin
that.
ng 1 win yun, magjaja ko lang na pasugal pa.
Daedalus being farmed up by Shiro.
Tangin naman. Gogo ko.
Magsusugal na lang. Gaja ko na lang. Ano papasugal pa?
Gago, wala na to.
Gago ka. Mamatay yun, mamatay yun. Mamatay yun, mamatay yun.
So, natin, ubus sila.
He will be able to burn
Wow.
him to death. Now the question is, can he escape?
Gago
at
si
this
ano?
point? FBZ
Ba?
on the run.
Gago, kumukumbok sila, gaba, legit,
Ubus
ah.
sila,
Ubus
ubus.
na, ubus na
Ubus
nila.
sila.
From
Yes! Let's go,
Nice,
Reckonix! Times 3!
Wag niyo masyadong kulitin yan ha, malakas yan. Patay, nasobrakan si ano.
Wala na.
Nasobrakan nga, Gab. Legit, Gab. Nasobrakan nga.
Bukat talaga yun yung
Sabi sa inyo eh, gago malakas yan si Snap eh. Pagka Pag kinukulit eh.
Gawa mo naman
Dota,
ng
bumalik pa sa Dota, boss, Gab.
Ano lakas, ang galing naman sobrang na ito na kay Isinkyo dito sa game na to. Diablo.
Kaya makalaw, eh.
These two cores for the side of Reckonix, huge. I think ideally you keep In Your Dream alive. I almost feel like you'd rather have FBZ die there.
Ano na?
Dude, the gyro died without doing anything.
Yeah, no
Max duration
BKB.
arrow. Watch, it just splits right through two heroes.
Yeah,
Diablo
Gyro's
naman.
right through.
Lungkot
Doesn't
nun, ah.
get to pop the BKB, which I guess in a way is a blessing.
Yeah.
Ay,
But
puto,
it's
tinamahan
just
pala.
FBZ getting that Doom off on sheer.
Umay dake, legit.
Massive done.
Tatata pagka first BKB, nag-zip out na si Tanga eh.
So long as you can isolate away that big SF
Minsan
right
wala
now,
talagang
there
utak
is
yung
a
may
way
choky
to play it.
players
It's
tol.
not particularly clean. It's not particularly clean.
Ba't nadama yung mga HOK? Ba't nadama yung mga HOK players, Dick?
Ay, sorry. Hindi, senior dream lang.
Senior dream lang ako eh.
So, yeah, he's very happy.
Puta, bumalik pa
Gets
sa
the cleanup
pro
kill
scene
there
doon.
at the end
Pero
of the
gago,
fight.
winnable
I mean,
pa
he's
ata
level
to,
20
no?
now. This is the talent we were talking about.
Hindi.
Itong ano na itong
Ano
kupal na to.
Wala, di
Wala na
GG
pala, Chip. GG na.
Lakas ni Gago, no? Goated, no?
Ayun na naman.
naka-ano siya, right click.
Tira-tira siya, no? Tira-tira dulce yung trip niya. Patay ka
Wala.
din.
Brief.
Pwede din to.
Pasok sa brief.
Hindi, di maka-cancel, maka-cancel.
Ma-cancel pala
Wala.
eh. GG.
Ay,
Bang!
Records to, kadiri.
Grabe ko yun, plus
Mas
wala.
mga tinopay yung glip tol.
Yeah, this is.
Nagka-placing
I mean,
kaunti.
there were some moments for Reckonex. It's
Diablo.
getting harder and harder to see them kind of pull them
Nakalayo ba yung glip na
down.
nag-lan sila, Nick?
Another Roshan coming out.
Malakas sila.
May
first
mga
two
natalo
days.
yan eh, na tier
Tapos
1.
natalo.
Ah.
Malakas sila nung una.
It's not gonna take them
First
too
2
long to
days.
find out. Reckonex.
Dali tayo, boy.
Kind of farm up.
Guys,
Spirit
use that
1-0. Ay, di
space.
pala. Score
Aegis
lang
goes
pala.
to Shiro.
Ay, gagawa niya pala sa spirit. Kiki na to. Lipat tayo.
Wala na to, wala na to.
Screener.
Taka, lipat tayo, lipat tayo.
Lipat tayo.